Hello and a warm welcome from sunny Rosendale here in my outdoor office overlooking Cloudbridge Reservoir, beautiful Rosendale. And to all our regular viewers, welcome back. If it's your first time joining us, welcome. Like our Facebook page or follow us on Twitter, however you picked it up, and I hope you come back and enjoy future assemblies as well. We have another great assembly lineup for you today, including our teachers have been busy making some artwork, but there's a big difference. So watch out for that. That's our first item. Following that, we've got an art competition in association with Lisa from Love Haslingden. Really exciting community project this is, so watch out for that. We've got loads of pictures and videos sent in to us by parents and carers of the children of our school. And finally, in my staff room, messages from your teachers. So, first of all, let's have a look at some of your teachers' artwork. They were fantastic. Well done, teachers, for all of your hard work of putting that art gallery together. I know I had lots of laughter putting it all together into this video. We had a couple of late submissions I want to show you. One from Mrs Woolwork, who's off on maternity leave. She worked with her daughter at putting these together using a fruit bowl and a couple of other things she could find in the house. So that's fantastic. Looking forward to having you back soon, Mrs Woolwork. And I love this one. This is one of my favourite. This is Mrs Lundy recreating the washerwoman. So I hope you enjoyed that as well. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to have to just bear with me a moment as I change the chairs round in my studio, because I've got a very special guest who's going to introduce our competition that we've got for you based upon what the teachers have just done. Welcome, Mrs Johnson, to our studio. I hope you're comfortable. We want you, boys and girls, and adults as well, to have a go at our art competition with Love Haslingden. We've got 7 great pictures of our town to show you that Lisa has taken with her camera. We want you to choose one and recreate it using your art skills. Mrs Johnson has the rules.
Thank you, Mr Ellis, for letting me help you with this competition. These are the rules for the children and grown-ups. 1. Choose one of the 7 pictures. It can be your favourite or the one you think would be the best to draw. You can pause this video on the picture you like to allow you to sketch it out. 2. Draw it, paint it, or use another art technique. It's up to you. Make sure that your paper is landscape. 3. Take a picture of it. Remember to fill the frame when you take it in landscape. No pictures in portrait, please. 4. Take another picture of you holding up your artwork with a big smile on your face. 5. Email it to the school. 6. Make sure your grown-ups take part too and include your names and class with your entry and mark the email subject as art competition. Lisa and her team at Love Haslingden will choose a winner from 4 categories: reception, years 1 and 2, years 3 and 4, and finally years 5 and 6. Get going everyone, but only after you've finished watching the assembly. Good luck.
Thank you, Mrs Johnson, and without a moment of hesitation, let's have a look at these 7 pictures. Run VT. I hope lots of you will be inspired to choose one of those pieces of artwork and have a go at recreating it. And like the teacher's artwork, we can put them side by side and they will look great on one of our future assemblies. I've got a friend visiting me. It's R2D2. Give me a round of applause, everyone. Woo! R2D2 in the house, and he's come along because he's heard that we've not got one gallery, but we've got 2 of your children's galleries with all of your pictures and videos in to show you next. And the first gallery is your work with Lego. So, hope you enjoy these next 2 galleries. What do you mean we've gone live? We're supposed to be showing the second gallery with all the children's artwork in. What do you mean they can see me with my wig on? Cut to the next gallery, quickly!
We've just experienced a sudden gust of wind here, and Mr. Ellis's wig has gone flying across the lake. I'm sure he'll be back before the end of the show. Next, we have the part I know that you lot love. It's in the staff room with messages from your teachers.
Well done if you got it right. While I'm here, I want to do a quick shout out to both Claire and Connie from my class. Both of you did really good pictures when you had to draw me the other week, so well done. Hope you're all safe and I look forward to seeing you all soon.
Hi, Flora! Welcome to this week's shout out. I just want to say thank you very much to Kira for my picture. It was beautiful and that's what I wish I looked like. And to all the children who joined in this week's Zoom video quiz. Thank you to Taha, Sabia, James, Braden, Arwa, Iman, Kira and Sky. You did amazing. Say bye-bye from the Leech family. Bye-bye.
Good morning and welcome to the media studio. Breaking news from the 6H isolation room is that several pupils logged on to the Year 6 Kahoot quiz the other week. Staff reported sightings of Jack, Harry, Jana, Amna, Reshma, Nikita, Maria Hack, Mornay and Hadi. Pupils have since requested a further opportunity to participate in such a task, and therefore staff are proposing a further meeting on Tuesday the 28th of April 2020 at 10 a.m. In further notices, the government are continuing to advise the population to stay safe, stay at home, protect the NHS. That's all from me. Tune in next time to receive further updates.
Oh, hello everybody. Hope you're all well. I'm standing here because in our staff meeting this week, Mr. Ellis said that something exciting was going to be happening on the platform. Well, I've been standing here for ages and not even a train's come through yet. Anyway, my shout out this week goes to all the Year 3 children who joined Mrs Stansfield and I on the Zoom meeting. It was lovely to see you all, especially George and your family who've been baking cakes for your dad to take in to all the key workers in hospital. Thank you, Annabelle, for all the photos that you emailed me. It's been lovely to see what you've been doing this week. Anyway, I better go now and see if I can get some expert advice on this platform thing. I think I'm on the wrong platform. Stay safe. See you soon. Hello? Is that Mrs. Emergy?
99, 100. Whew. Morning, Year 2. You've just caught me doing my morning exercise. I just want to say, well done, keep up all the hard work, and the stars of the week this week, the Times Table Rock Stars for 2F is Adian and Hayan, and for 2T is Safia and Adian. Well done, keep up the hard work.
Good morning RH, it's Miss Hodges and Olaf here. we thought we'd introduce you to some more members of the farm this morning. So here we have got the horses. They're going to come and say hello now. They think they're coming in for their breakfast. They've got some masks on because the flies have been bothering them. So here we've got Bud in his little mask. Here he is. And then we will go and find the other two. We've got Domino here, who's the brown one. Here he is. And then we've got my very cheeky little pony. We'll take his mask off so you can see him. Here is Cash. He's very cheeky. He likes to have lots and lots of kisses. And we'll give him a mint as well. Here we go. Let's see if they're both going to... there they are together. Having a bit of an argument. That wasn't what we wanted on camera. Come back, Grumpy Pony. Say hello to everybody. Here he is, getting his mint there. He's a very nice orange colour when he's not pulling a horrible grumpy face at everybody. So me and Cash would just like to do a shout out to the people that did amazing artwork yesterday, drawing a picture of me. So we'd like to give a shout out to Fletcher, Adjwa, Loki, Billy and Megan. Your artwork was fantastic. Oh, and he's eating my hood now. I think he thinks that my hair is some hay. Probably should get a hairbrush on that at some point. Bye guys!
Well, that's the end of the show. It's all gone wrong in the studio now. My coffee is spilt on the table. My laptop's not working. I've got Mrs Johnson trying to sort out the server. And my wig has disappeared as well. Where is that R2-D2 when you need him to go and find something? Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed our assembly. Keep those contributions coming in this week. We'll look forward to seeing you again on Friday for Friday's assembly. Have a safe week, look after each other, take care, and check out our virtual school. Bye, everyone.